All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to do a quick look at the Google Pixel Fold from the Tudia Merge Grip series. This is solely, when this first dropped, it became my favorite case from Tudia by a long shot. The Merge was one of my favorites, but the Merge Grip is just that. The Merge with a slightly different design and a lot more grip. And that was one of my complaints back in the day, that the Merge was just a little too slippery, but it was a great case. So they've incorporated a great design here by giving it a texture back and getting some soft touch matte along the sides. But this is the box that it comes in, and it's just some branding there. I'm sure they're doing some recycle with this because this is a very simple case, not too much going on inside of there. Now, I've been obviously using this blue one on here. But this is what the cases look like. These are all the colors here. And I just threw the blue one on. They're all the same, folks. So, you know, just take note of that. I just decided to put the blue one on. So this phone folds flat, as you can see here. And so getting a case for this device, I'm sure they had to work some kind of way to get it to where it's going to still lay flat. I know that had to have been some kind of work for them because, again, this phone lays flat. So it's going to be, it could be somewhat of a headache to get this phone, a nice case for this phone. So I think they did it right. After having all of the cases for different foldables, this is obviously one of the best ones that you could possibly get now that they have it for the Pixel Fold. So on the back here, you've got some branding that just says Tudia, and then you got that texture back that I told you about with lots of grip. The camera opening for the camera module now makes the camera flush, which is really good, which means I can lay it like this with no problem. On this side here, the power button is deeply recessed, but because it's a fingerprint too, but it actually works very well, and I'll demonstrate that for you in just a second. You've got volume rockers here. They have a little groove or texture to them, so it's really nice. You've got that accent of black on the offset of the color here that goes all the way around to the edges. It's very sleek. You wouldn't even know it was there if you weren't looking for it, because it's really sleek and integrated well. And you got some grip down here, a little texture, just a little bit of grip down there. And since this is a foldable, this part is completely open, and I'm okay with that. But you've got speaker out up here, microphone there. And you got to, I want to point this out because you have got to make sure that both of these microphones are open. And this microphone is open on any case that you get for the Pixel Fold. And they have all 4 microphone cutouts ready for you. You've got your speaker here and your Type-C there. Now, the fingerprint reader, just give it a little push inside, and as you can see, it opened right up with no hesitation. Quick and to the point, it snaps right open. So let's check the volume rocker. Nice and tight. Love a tight one. So yeah, everything is good, man. No problems whatsoever. Ringtone up. But yeah, the volume rocker is good. And then when you open it up, you've got just a hair, a smidgen of protection around the edges. And if you want to see it from the back, this is what it looks like from the back. It doesn't go all the way close to each other. So you just keep in mind with that. But this is what it is. This is the Merge Grip from Tudia, and I think you'll probably like this one if you decide to get it. It's not too bulky. I've shown some other cases on the channel where it appears that they make the phone really wide because they're actually putting something on this side over here. This one does not. You still get the same form factor of your device, and then you got lip protection, by the way. You can see that lip protection on there. Lots of lip protection, so you can lay it down flat. You can lay it on any side, and you are protected. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a first look at the Tudia Merge Grip for the Google Pixel Fold. I'll see you in the next one. Links down below. Take care.